Hello guys, welcome to A to Z. Today we'll see how to download and install the JavaScript or Node.js. So first we'll go to our browser and type Node.js and press enter. We will select the first link and select the get Node.js. We will scroll below of this page and click on the Windows installer. If you are using another operating system, then you can click it from here and click the Windows installer. Then we can see our installer for the node.js has been downloaded. We will click on the folder icon and double press on the installer and it will start the installation. We will select the next, accept the terms, next, leave the path as it is, next, custom setup, leave as it is, next. Select this option. It will automatically install the necessary tools for installing the node.js and click next and install. And it will start the installation. And we can see it is asking permission for installing the necessary tools. Give the permission by clicking yes and it will start to install. So it has been installed. Click finish and we can see the Windows PowerShell for installing the necessary tools. Press any key from the keyboard again and it will start downloading and installing the necessary tools related to the JS and it asking for permission again. Give the permission by clicking yes and it will start the download and installations needed for it. Minimize it and to check if we have successfully installed the node.js, we will go to the command prompt for verifying it. Type command prompt from the search option and select it and type node space v hyphen then v and press enter and this will show us the version that it has installed in our desktop. We can see that the version 24.18.0 has been installed in our PC. So this is how we can install node.js or JavaScript in your desktop. Thank you for watching. If you find this video useful, please give a like and subscribe to my channel for another useful video. Thank you.